Мы пришли на Airtrain, воздушный поезд. Сейчас он вот сюда и приедет. Вот это и вся его станция. Рельсов даже не видно отсюда. Вон там вон рельса. Одна рельса. Там магазин IT. Мы уже в поезде. Это тяжело назвать поездом. Куда вниз посмотришь?
Please stand clear. The doors are closing. The train is departing. Please hold on while the train is moving.
Держимся.
The train is departing. Please hold on while the train is moving. The next stop is Terminal B. Airlines serving Terminal B are Air India, Alaska, Alitalia, British Airways, Cathay Pacific, Delta, Delta Connection, El Al, Jet Airways, Lot Polish, Air France, Lufthansa, Open Skies, Porter, SAS, Singapore, Swiss, TAP Portugal, United International Arrivals, Virgin Atlantic.
Это отражение в стене.
This is Terminal B. Please move quickly to exit the train.
Нос
Please
видно.
remove all personal belongings when leaving the train.
I'm learning what you probably already know. That it's really hard to get me and Karen both out on the bike ride.
Вот второй такой же поезд.
Is that because of your very different skill levels? Or? Oh no, she's doing a spinning class 3 times a week, so she's fine. But like our speeds almost match right now.
Spinning class.
It's just a stationary bike, exercise bike. So.
Why don't you still run?
Can't do it in an hour at lunchtime usually when it's rain or shine. But it was part of her, originally part of her physical therapy recovering from her ankle. But the thing is, it's just like getting a babysitter at the right time to go out for a bike ride with the weather cooperating and stuff. It's a real pain. She loves her new bike. It really
Нас перегоняет.
go out on it.
Mom went through the beat, right?
Да.
Oh man.
The next stop is Terminal B. Airlines serving Terminal B are Air India, Alaska, Alitalia, British Airways, Cathay Pacific, Delta, Delta Connection, El Al, Jet Airways, Lot Polish, Air France, Lufthansa, Open